Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make the most easiest fish stew. And I'm sure you guys are definitely going to appreciate this. It was eaten with some coconut lemongrass rice. It was absolutely delicious. So here I have some seasoned fish. I guess you can use any fish of your choice. I am using butterfish. Now this is a fish came all the way from Guyana. I guess you can use any other fish, tilapia, whatever you have. And that right there is my chunky salsa hot because I love it spicy. Okay? Yes. So, and I do have the ghost pepper, which is extra spicy. So I'm going to use half and half. All right. A little bit of this hot and some of that ghost pepper. You can choose mild if that's your choice. So here I have some onions and bell pepper. I'm going to saute this for about 2 minutes. All right. Until it becomes nice and fragrant. I love onions, guys. And garlic. Then I'm going to pour half of my chunky salsa and some of that ghost pepper habanero. Half of that as well. So you know this is going to be extra spicy. As I mentioned, you don't have to use the hot or ghost pepper spicy. You can just use mild. All right. And I'm going to stir that in. Now this is so easy because the salsa already have everything you need for a good sauce. But I just jazz it up a little bit to my likeness, which you can do as well. Then you're just going to take your fish, well seasoned, and you're going to place that in the sauce. See how that fish is well seasoned? Yes, guys. I'm going to leave the ingredients I use to season this fish in the description box. So this is my butterfish. And I'm going to place this in the sauce. This is going to steam and cook the fish through. On really low heat, you're going to cover. Place nice and neat there. And even the sauce, you're going to add just a tad bit water and pour that in the sauce as well. Nothing goes to waste. Again, as I mentioned, you can adjust the seasoning and the flavoring to your likeness. Ah, looks amazing. Look at that. Just beautiful. It thickens now. And this actually took about 20 to 25 minutes. And then I served with some lemongrass coconut rice. So I do hope you guys tried this recipe. Thank you all so much for spending the time with me today. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Be kind to yourself and each other. Love you all. Bye-bye.